fresh start. Wash those mung bean sprouts togue thoroughly under cold running water until they're sparkling clean. The flavor duo. Finely chop your garlic and onions. Set them aside there about to make your kitchen smell amazing. Heat it up. Heat up a pan and add a splash of oil. Saute away. Drop in your garlic and onions. Saute them properly until they are soft, fragrant, and translucent. Now it's time to put the togue. Season to perfection. Pour in the soy sauce and a generous dash of ground black pepper. The 10-minute magic. Toss in the togue, mix it well so every sprout is coated, and let it simmer for 10 minutes to soak up all those savory juices. The secret step, strain the mixture. You want the flavor, not the extra liquid, to keep your wrappers from getting soggy. The assembly, lay out your lumpia wrapper. Place a nice scoop of the cooked togue in the center and roll it up tight. Golden perfection. Fry your rolls until they reach that beautiful, irresistible golden brown color. The final crunch. Strain the excess oil, plate them up, and listen to that crunch. Enjoy your yummy, delicious, and crunchy lumpiang togue. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy and tasty cooking videos. Thanks for watching.